Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the third. No, it's the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Friday, August the 16th, 2024. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. 3 puzzles are left. Binary, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. The 4-star Sudoku number 9106. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 24. This one has truly 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones, 2 twos, 4 threes. All right. 3 fours, 2 3 fives, 2 sixes, 4 sevens. All right. 1 8 and 2 9. So the 7s and the 3s are a majority. Can I start with the 7? 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. 7. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about the 3? 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 3 should be there. Need a 3 there. And the 3. Yeah, could be everywhere. Okay. Well. 8 8. Need an 8 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 9 here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then 7 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Okay. Need a 6 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 1 here. Yeah. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 1. The 8 and the 1 we have in this column. So no 8 and 1 in these 3 boxes. 8 and 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 1, 8 and 1. the 6 here. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 269. 269. Need a 4 here. We have a pair, the 3 and the 4 in this column, the 3 and the 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4. 5 is missing here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. The 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. And look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this second row, so no 6 and 9 in this box. 6 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 3, 4, 1, 3. Yeah. 1. Oh, wait. Yeah. 1 and an 8. We have an 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left now in the last column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this row. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, and the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Okay. Then. Well. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the middle column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These are 3 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, 1 is missing. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. And look, we have 1 and 8 in this row, so no 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 2. Then. Well, 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 2, 6, 9. Well, we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be here. So the 6 and the 9 are left then. Let me mark those, 6 and the 9. Then. Let me see. Can I count the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 2. Need a 1 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. Yeah. Need a 3 there. 5, 7, 2, 7, 8, 1. Need an 8 here. Yeah. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Okay. 8. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8. So here 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Then 4, 4, 3, 4. Yeah. Need a 4 here. Hmm. 3, 8. And 4. Need a 4 here. 2, no. 9 and 6. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. Need a 9 here. Need a 3 here. We have a pair. The 3 and a 9, sorry. The 3, oh no. This is a 6 and a 9. I need to wait. 6, 6. I need a 9 here. Well, 6 and a 9 here. Oh, 6 and a 9. Overlook the 6 in the middle row. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, there are only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 in the third column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be here. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Alright, and now need a 4 here. Let me think. 8 and a 9, okay. 8, 9, and need a 5 here. 2 numbers left in this second column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Do we have all the 6s? No. 6 and a 9, we have a 6 now in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 6. 8 and the 4 is missing here. 8 and the 4. Yeah. Need a 8, need a 3, need a 1. Well, we have 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 3, 1, need a 3, 1, 3, and I need an 8 here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers and 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for number 1. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So on that row, the only 2 places level 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 8 and 9, we have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and no. Again, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. And 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finished. 17 minutes. Wow, quicker than the previous Sudoku, although it has 24 printed digits. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.